Let me see Pinky walk. Walk, 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 walk. Just so. Artist. Cheese and peace. The teacher. I can't say that. That's saddy, man. Cheese and peas. I have a turn back. Massive. No, sir. Look there. Then half you can do something about this, brother. This is a very bad condition. Yeah. Easy. Yo, get that song, yeah. So you know where I walk through again, but a while ago we walked from that direction where you see trucker forward from. See? But now you go walk the next direction to head out. See? You go through here so and head out. Oh my word. It's a whole heap of things to Jamaica. Damn, man. I've never seen anything like this, to tell you God true. Even. Dan more. I give a thing for the local boy. And just sit down there go and play with themselves, eh? Buy one thing for him here. Yeah. That is it. Same thing that. Alright, look a bit. You're welcome. He's so manageable. He said, thank you. Money. I'm in Jamaica walk by with you know. It's a big up somebody now, man.
Yeah, man, we have big up the world and we have big up Father God. You see me? Get to you would watch out, and stay focused, leave crime alone, leave violence, pray to God more, and believe in yourself and keep on a dream. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, the voice that we have to sound like an artist, and an artist. Come on, you know my style already, man. Anytime you hear it.
Why Junko work harder than bird? Why Junko work harder than bird? Some boy bun the coke and me bun the herb. Them a smoke coke and shock them nerves. Why Scorpion wicked and 40 leg? Why Scorpion wicked and 40 leg? 40 leg say excuse Scorpion and him now beg him just clear out your foot with him peg. Why answer harder than fly? Why answer harder than fly? Got the hands up on the ground and move the fool. While the fly in the sky I watch his sweet food you walk by. Why donkey move slower than us? Why donkey move slower than us? The donkey eat and the ass moves fast. Him a kick out him back to rough. Why Junko work harder than bird?
Bless up and respect to everybody who is in the reach of my voice right now. I watch that video, yo. You don't know, look on the place. Mad love and respect. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. So it's all about a 6 mile walk. So we're currently in the vicinity of 6 miles center camera, as you can see. I'm going to attempt to walk all the way to 3 miles. See all the dolly over there, so. Hello, my friend. Hello. My friend. Hold on now. Beg you a minute now, my friend. I wish I go here now. You know, so I need to go over the plaza there, but no, sir, I have to go over there, you know, massive. No, sir, that would cost me now. A Fabian from Jamaica walk by. You must hear about my channel by now, man. Jamaica walk by, but there in the street. And now I see you, I have to feature you. If I don't feature somebody like you on the channel, my friend, them are going to kill me. Them are people that are going to murder me. What's your name, my friend? You know mine? Pinky. Pinky. Oh, massive, so we there in the street in Pinky. Where say I go by Plaza? Alright, she go by Plaza. Massive, I go follow her, you know. No, but Massive Pinky look good. Lord Jesus. Hold on there. Let me tap a care them for you. Hold on. Hold on there, my general. Hold on there. Hold on there. Make you cross there. Boom, man. Alright. Let's go. Pinky, me I go video here, you know. Cause you look like a superstar, you know. Boom, Massive. No, sir. No, sir. Massive look on Pinky. Pinky whole world like a ball for you today. And you me a follow, you know. Everywhere you go today, me a follow you, you know. Yeah. Massive, Pinky boyfriend, please don't cuss me today. But me I go stalk her a little bit in the video cause Jamaica nice. And you know we all about Jamaican and Jamaicans. And show off for Jamaican beauty them. I don't think say beauty not there in Jamaica. You're not a fool. Pinky them I go look. Watch ya man. No sir. Me don't know the plot. Oh, come through. Alright, she said we come. I don't know this plaza yeah, but me I walk with Pinky and Pinky I go show we what I go on. So shall you go right now, Pinky? Oh, you got a little Tokyo. They love Japanese and Chinese food. Alright, Massive Pinky there on our lunchtime. So me I walk with Pinky today. Me know so now go big, me say show some more Pinky. Let me see Pinky walk. Walk, 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 walk. Just so. Son of bun no Joe. You saw that of rig. Where's my general? Yes. Take to a look for me to knock right and I need 4 yai. A 4 yai me want. Massive don't know say I saw me stay. Plaza pretty though. Me show a little bit of plaza. We have some of that. Me not show plaza till Pinky done by. Security. Pinky's a little Tokyo. Security is a normal alive. Yeah. Pinky, hold the door for me. Yes, Mr. Officers. Manners, manners. Little Tokyo. Pinky, where again? Hear me about Pinky like we do every minute. Die, Jesus. Massive, we now left Pinky today. Follow her today with the camera. When I meet them in the streets, I have a camera and a video, man. A Jamaica walk by still, so at that time I think I will showcase the country, the beauties, if they're willing to talk to me on camera and stuff like that. You know where chap go. Yeah, but big up somebody, no man. Big up somebody. Big up somebody, but
big up the JSF.
Alright, big up the JSF. Alright, big up every time. So Pinky, where you say again? Marlon, Loman. That is it. Look like I hear some have to go forward back to get some food. On the menu. Yeah. There's something that I'm sitting here eat to build up in shape.
No, you have to eat everything.
Yeah. Once a while. This walks us over question that because we don't say them about a big question that we ask. So when we go outside, do the matter cost me. It look like a way then we have food, sir. Yeah, Pinky. They look like at the woman them place this. A big woman a come in, come by. Massive Pinky coolie. Where they are eating here, I am leave. Massive when I get a full show today from Pinky. Right now I want to support Pinky page and all them things. I'm going to ask her for your Instagram handle and them things there. So you can see more of her. Let me see Pinky. Wow. Thank you. You're nice, see? She will only do it for me, Massive. The one left her with you? I will roll like a ball. Alright, so me now go take up much of your time, you know. So alright, she so go back at work. So you're better bad. So watch out. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, let me go somewhere we can ask some more questions. Alright, so before me go, why your Instagram handle?
Pinky, it's a pity.
Pinky, it's a pity?
Yeah.
No underscore or nothing?
Yeah, Pinky _@
Pinky, and you that? No, that you see a pass through in the road.
True, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, let me see a pass.
Man, elbow bug. Alright, so Pinky _ it's a pity. Alright, Massive, you don't have to worry. I go put it on the screen so you can go follow Pinky and our TikTok too. You have TikTok too?
Yeah, the same name we use on TikTok.
One last too. So same name she use for TikTok. Alright. Anything else you want to give? So what you do? People don't go want to know. Because you look like if you in entertainment, you know, if you do videos and this, you know.
Well,
just because look how you're calm and nice.
Yes, I do.
You do video? Oh, we are say.
Mews Entertainment.
Oh, you work at
Big up to the boss.
come here, come on, make so nice. I mean, I want to become some nice also. Big up Rubbish, no man. Yo, Rubbish. No one has a personal message to you. You're tough. Rubbish, you find them, you know? Yeah. No, sir. Yo, Massive, you look like every beautiful lady that Jamaica right now work for Rubbish. It looks so. Me not understand. Rubbish, big up yourself and all the Rubbish Entertainment crew, Rubbish World, you don't do. Big up. Big up somebody before we cut.
Yeah, big up to my mom, big up to my son.
Yeah.
Big up to my boss, Ramesh.
Big
One
up.
Ramesh and another Ramesh.
Yeah.
I'm out in the world right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that he make me make my money right now.
Right, that's all. I hate man. Walk, Pinky. Because Rubbish, you're tough. No, sir. But see Pinky take away all I show right now. Me know say you can't watch no more. Because you must weak by now. That is it. Pinky, me I walk with the guy the gate, that alright?
Yeah, that's
Me I give them a full show. So Massive, if you don't want Pinky right now, you look like a Ramesh shouldn't have go link. You look like Pinky done sign and seal already. Link up Ramesh to get Pinky in our videos. You do videos I say, right?
Yeah.
Alright, she do videos and thing. So, yeah. Remember to follow our Instagram. I put it on the screen again. Pinky was so polite. Pinky seems so professional already. No, sir. Me have to go find out. Oh, here's a walk about now. Me have to go find a way how to push Pinky out. The people need people like this one who can just buck up in the street and can reason with like human being. I want to know my style already. Me no ramp to talk to them, you know. So, yeah. Yeah, Pinky. You win. You win, Pinky. You win. Massive. Those are bore. So, woman there Jamaica enough and beauty too. Yeah. Alright, massive. So, you don't know, I'm going to leave Pinky, but Pinky do her thing. You don't do chop chop. We can continue the walk, no? That is it. That is it. So, yeah, we are in the vicinity of 6 Mile. No joke, as you can see on the hills and basin thing. No joke, no doubt. Here's a change up. Whole heap. So, make we do a little tour now. Where's my teacher? She come out. Yeah. Jamaica walk by, you see me now video yesterday. You don't know him and them say. Yeah, me normally like show Dolly them on the street, but the Dolly I say she don't walk up on the camera, you see me? So me just go and go through. Now walk from 6 mile, go 3 mile. Yeah. You're not afraid of camera, you're a dancer?
No, I'm a farmer, brother.
Big up yourself, no man. You're not afraid of camera?
Really?
Yeah, really. See, generally, I don't know what does there in the street all natural, same speed. Yeah, and me see him look like a dancer. Me not gonna tell you no joke or an artist. And them image you have. Yeah, don't joke. You dep on TikTok and thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we can shout out the TikTok, see how man all of my ladies them in a foreign good war. You not married yet?
No, I'm not married.
Oh, because you know, one time all of my beautiful ladies in my foreign see you know, you can't take him in and there, you know.
Yeah, man.
You understand? That is it. How the TikTok go?
No, I don't remember it out America.
Look for it. Yeah. See if you can find it. Because we are giving him a shout out today. See all of my nice dolly them cross the road. We have whole heap of Gina Jamaica, you know we not play. Now we have to send them a road, you understand? Yeah, Jamaica set away so we not ramp to the migrate. Alright, so the G TikToker on, how you pronounce it? Nennis Thompson.
Yeah.
That is it. Yeah, you can give him a link all of me dolly them. You see me I say, I fit you, the man say a country him forward from. You don't know anything, say man a farmer. Outside, you hear my brother? Big up and respect, you hear that? You know, it's a 3 mile me I walk go. And that me do for a living, the teacher. That is it, my bro. Respect no man. Yeah. See him way. So look good at me massive. See it there, 6 mile. Jaja know, make a run cross the road. Man. So we're off to a beautiful start. As you can see, Alex over there, so you see me? 6 mile new and improved, to tell you the truth. So for this walk we're gonna try have a nice vibe, nice energy. The video start off great already. It's been beautiful. So far we woke up in a general, we are real G, respect that. Rate him already, you know what I mean? Because we have a whole heap of good general in Jamaica, you know. So right now we are going to see if we can get some ladies to talk to. We are going to video the business place, we are video the road, we are going to video all of the new happenings. And as I say, a 3 mile me I walk go. The road are kind of sticky, you know, so I have to know how to walk. I just want to build for walk and then things as you can see. No joke. So I go walk on the other side, but I go switch when I reach down there. So I wonder if I can go up there, so for sure now. Or up that side they stay. But yeah, if you don't watch the video where I walk from 6 mile to Kingston Spring Road, you're gonna have a nice description of what up there so look like too as well. And thing or you look at it from the drone shot, then I try to get some drone shots so you can see what over there so look like. See? So it's a busy day and we wanna kick off the walk with love and peace, and it's gonna be a long walk. I'm gonna try to do it as slow as I can because I see a lot of person I tell me say, yo walk by. No walk so fast there, please slow down. I say no sir. Really now walk fast. To tell you the truth, now walk fast at all, but maybe how it look. And then me know say enough people probably want me to reach again. Remember if you look for it here my friend, Jamaica walk by here. Respect. So yeah, that is it. So I'm gonna try to do that one a little slow so you can see how the place set up the right way. the vehicle never drive near. Look here. Me I try, me know say here's another right way for walk still, so me I try get for cross. And she try to bite the jump cross. And that's why I go try cross. So I want me case and move over here so car. You know then I build us for walking. Hold on, me try to yeah, so if you're just a join, please I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, we actually do walking videos, show you what Jamaica look like in our time. You know what I mean? We just show the natural vibe, natural happenings, everything all natural, raw, uncut. Yeah, so it all depends on how long we take to do the walk, and that can be the video. You see me? Yeah, see it? As I say, whole heap of billions of dollars to spend on a road to get it fixed and things. So make we see how that go. You hear that? No joke, no. So yeah, I wanna do a big shout out to I Love It Kangas. You know what I mean? I want you to check them out on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will see a bunch of candles that I have in my home. Some special candles to me as well, with Usain Bolt on it, because I got the chance to take a few pictures with Usain Bolt, and I actually imprint one of the image on the cup and on the candles as well. So trust me, check out I Love It Candles on Instagram. Order then ship worldwide. So you can get your candles very good for a gift or a birthday present, you name it, and it's good for in your own because the candles are beautiful, they smell sweet, and they have candles for actually all different type of things. You know, the romantic settings, they have candle for repellent, with his insect repellents and stuff, so a bunch of things. So you definitely can check out I Love It Candle on Instagram and also on YouTube. Blessed me general, respect and manners. That is it. Yeah. So out here on 6 Mile, you know, you can get your empty barrels and drums and them stuff that you buy right here up on the roadside. You see me? Yeah, there's another spot down there so too, when we just passed a while ago, where you can get these things to buy. And I think if you have them at your home too, you can link them and then we buy it from you and sell it back, you know what I mean? Yeah, from water cake, let me show you. Yeah. Jamaica walk by, you understand my brother? Yeah, respect. So if you don't want empty drum bottles, all of them stuff that you buy, you can check out one spot like this. They're right on 6 Mile. You can check them out from plastic to iron, aluminum, buckets, everything, you name it. You can get it right here, so you see me? Yeah. Oh. No, you know, say no me I sell do me general, I advertise it. But it look like me love. I want to sell me general, when there? See teacher, see that look me forward with you now. See a customer you right away. Me actually I promote your business, me teacher. Big up and respect Jamaica walk by, you understand? So me I showcase all of the things that we have and see a gentleman walk up and things. Me a Jamaica walk by. It's a YouTube channel. Me actually walk long distances, showcase the natural vibe in a Jamaica and the people. Me actually walk from 6 Mile over 3 Mile. Yeah. So yeah, me teacher, I number that it work. Alright, see that. So if you're not there in Kingston here and you want them thing, yeah, you can definitely come check him out or give him a call, and then we actually have a size barrel or bucket that you might want. Yeah. No joke. See him get a customer there. Not tell me say I look my walk with, man. Anyway, I'm going to start sell. Yeah. So my teacher, one question before me leave. Yo. Let me do it the right way. I'm not interfere. Me not want you to discuss it twice. Hold on. One question. So if me have like couple empty bucket and them thing like this when me have me get from foreigners, you buy them and sell them back too? Yeah. Alright then. Yeah man, so me right then. Blessings and respect. Angle the bangles in. Cool. Alright, so we have to a good start. So this is how we do it on Jamaica walk by. What you see is what you get. See? No joke. Let's go. And let me refresh again, if you're just joining, we are walking from 6 Mile and we are going to head all the way to 3 miles. Jamaica. You hear that? See? No joke, no doubt. So some of these places, many people living in Jamaica for decades has never ever walked these places. So when I can get a chance now to lie down in on a bed and watch me do it. See? No joke. Just like that. So as I said, some persons did ask me to do it a little bit slower and thing. Even though I really think me that do it slow, I'm gonna try my best to maybe not turn the camera so fast or anything like that. And let's go. Good evening. Blessings. Alright, so right about now we just passed Petcom center camera. That's Petcom over there. That's the gas place. And up a little bit is actually Rapid. So Rapid up there, so JPS, yeah, at a 693A Spanish Town Road across the street, and we are moved through. Oh, teacher, man, see some more of them here too. Again, where you can buy your jump same speed, you see me? Yeah, blessed teacher. So you go. As you move through, oh, find manners, bro. Done this over so, you know, because I know a teacher didn't stay in a camera thing more while, you know. Manners and respect. Jamaica walk by your seat, bro. So you see today, and 6 mile to 3 mile, you know. You know the thing, I want to play the footing, I want to play the walking, blessings and respect. Go on the bang, you see? Respect outside. That is it. Manners, see? That is it. It's a whole heap of thing on that, you see? I didn't sit there if you use the money and fix and stop the foolish to the people their money. Look there. What the place? What the place? What's that? What there? Every day they work on this stretcher and look on it. Every day. Christ. Manners. Oh, see all the snack shop. Bless my friend. Oh, you mean? Authentic snap shop. Yeah. So when you see one of them here in a Jamaica, you know say them always have some of the best food. A while ago my pass, you don't know you can get all potty here, so and be sitting a little napkin in the cupboard, CM spade, juice buy. Be sitting. Lunchtime, so you know say lunch special goodly there and a joke thing. Yeah. Look good. What we have over there is a Jamaica packaging industry, retail outlet. This building probably new, because I don't know it. Oh, you mean? Boy, my friend, big up, I not even see you there. Blessings and respect, no man. Fabian from Jamaica walk by. See me tap a showcase, see party and base in a run over there. It's a different area thing. I want business. I show them say so we do it authentic shop, you know what I mean? Anyway, people them work, we have to have a shop. Can work at them have to eat. Blessings, yeah? Jamaica walk by, you can check out the channel, alright? Jamaica walk by. Alright, so you know, so that walk here, if you look out, you come and walk from 6 miles, got 3 miles. And just show some love, see? Blessed Christmas 24 hours, see? That is it. Yeah, so we're outside. Come through. 81 Parkway. So what I realize now, back in the day you used to have the building them only on the business place them only on one side, and which is over on the left side. Now I realize a lot of business now up on the right side. That is nice. So let's go. This is LIG, Louis Industrial. I'm not sure what going on over there, so it got to be, so it's like a truck parts place. The way me I understand. Nice. Yeah, more and more in a Jamaica shop are set up, you know? Westmoreland Avenue, stand up right at Westmoreland Avenue, and we are moved through. We just walked past Tankwell, so we have Tankwell up there, so yeah. tire warehouse as well on my left over there. When me normally then at Kingston, this is the tire warehouse that me normally use. This is the one. This is like one of the foundation tire warehouse. Right over there, sir. And the building there is high quality industrial limited. They sell like house things, you know what I mean, from, it's like a hardware type of settings, all glass, and you can order glass and bunch of stuff over that place there. Yeah, no joke. Let's do it. So I know some of you probably be asking, yeah, them part of Kingston are more of like a grimy look because a Kingston and an inner city Kingston with it. You understand? Inner city. Down the road we're gonna pass also Riverton. I'm not sure if me I go actually go over Riverton, but make we see how it all set up. If a good vibe be at the gate and them thing the way we can walk over Riverton, I will definitely do that. But you don't know, a good vibe and energy me I deal with. So if the energy not right, nah go. And we have IGL over there as well. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. What a nice little spot here. Yeah, brownie. And I think we live in a them place, you know, say mosquito them. When you reach 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, the mosquito them are go beat. You're silly. All them things are not good for people live next, you know. Them things have a sort out, like, look on it, water not even move, nothing. You just sleepy and stagnant, and that's the right. That's all. I can see say water will run off of the road too, you know. Watch it. Yeah, even we if you do look better with the garbage and thing, but you have to make sure you know where you walk to, cause right on the walk, we could walk way that day. But the thing are not fit for people, man. And to be honest with you, that's why I don't really associate myself in a no political party, you know, because trust me, I just one of them man the way. I go find too much fault, cause I work hard for my money, so I really want to see my money I go to good use. So I got have too much problem with them. So that's why I just love it. I don't business in a no party, no politics, no nothing. I just live in a damn world. I tell you the truth. I remember saying that one time and somebody say, yo, one can make a change, yeah, and I totally agree. But when it comes to politics in Jamaica, that person they're not going to be me. You see me? Yeah. So we are moved through. So most of them places are a cook shop and thing. Where from your business place you have a cook shop then set up, you understand? And as I say we have IGL over there, so whole heap of work I probably just run across the road, come buy lunch and then time I think they big up yourself, my friend, alright? Blessed love. Yeah. Boy, are you forward from? Nice vibe, nice energy. It's a YouTuber, Jamaica walk by. You know? You're not afraid of camera. Beautiful ladies not shine, so no bother with it. Big up yourself. Touch me now, man. You don't get catch on the camera already. You know, see your hairstyle come out and fleek out already. We say a good vibe. Bless up. See me, I walk from 6 mile, got 3 mile. I show the people them some love, you know? One love, my friend. Yeah. Good evening. Can I introduce you to my YouTube channel, my friend? Not even can I introduce you to my YouTube channel. I'm also good, blessed love and respect. Good day, I'm Fabian from Jamaica, walk by. We actually walk and just showcase some natural vibe and love and peace in the country, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, because I walk from 6 mile, got 3 mile. I actually appoint you over there, so. You understand? Yeah man, no problem man. Me actually a video that way there. But me just attack, you understand? Yeah. Because somebody know on the camera just go more while, you see me? But I walk showcase love, showcase people business, promote bunch of stuff, rare and all kind of good vibe, you know? Huh? Say that again? Oh, that's no problem, man. No problem, man. You want to sit there? Okay, look. See what I say? Alright, blessings and respect, alright? Take it easy. So yeah, you know, sometimes persons don't want to be on camera, and that is understandable. Worse if I me want to talk to them, me can work with that, you see me? But sometimes when I walk through, I just walk through. But if I want to talk to a person, I go ask them if they're willing to go up on camera and things, you see me? But yeah, this is Kingston. Yeah. Nobody can say you're not working, you know? Pick up my teacher. Yeah. Respect. Yeah. So we shall reach now. So I could say what next? The side of IGL. We have Agri World Farm Store over there on the stretch. And it's a busy stretch. I can see vehicle pass 24/7. You see me? Yeah. So you have down a Riverton side. We not officially reach, but this is a scrapyard where you don't know aluminum, iron, everything you can get for scavenge and sell and recycle and them thing there. Yeah, you can carry them come the side, yeah. And then we done. Big up, respect. Mad. Jamaica walk by, you see me? I'm an artist bridging, I'm gonna see him today. Come true. Lord, that's great. Where's a cheaper fare? Cheaper fare, you know? Half price, you know, can I see it now there, you know? Big up my teacher, respect. Yeah, so as you can see, you know, Riverton, bless up my bro. So, oh, Jamaica walk by. I walk for 6 mile, got 3 mile and just show people them walk go on with life in a Jamaica. You see me I say? Natural energy. No boogie I got thing. If I no love and peace and them thing, then we know we not promote it. You understand? Yeah. But I'm an artist, Bridget. Through me I use this thing, I'm going to call him and I know come on game 2 feature again. But yeah, massive, if you all of you don't know, this is like the entrance to Riverton. You see me I say? So the place I know you don't know the rubbish truck them come through and go through and got it done. But from time to time you'll find stuff like these, which is things where people can recycle. From aluminum, so you call them scrap metal. You understand? So for scrap metal, all the fan cover, you understand? Everything pack up in a truck and them thing there. And go out for recycle. So it's a business in Jamaica. So big up all the youths them where do this and thing. Me run from the other side a while ago. Yeah. So me I go just make a little walk, go to the street and show them exactly where the dump is. When me that youth, me normally work down the road, so me normally up us a lot with shackles and them thing there. R.I.P. to shackles. Shackles actually drop out, you see me? Yeah. Manners and respect, you hear that? Yeah. So big up to shackles, R.I.P. shackles drop out still, but you know the vibe still a go on. Blessed bro. Man. Now video you know, me that come across and ask man, me a video so you know, you see me? Jamaica walk by here, me teacher. Yeah, me see him one man, you understand? Then I tell him man, if my artist bridging I me a search for, but you me have a device, me have to go try call him still. So me I go down the line and think, you see me bro? Respect. That is it, hear that? And some of them, you know my style already bro. Respect and manners man, always bro. That is it. So, say scrap metal type of thing, as a business in Jamaica, them thing I give whole heap of youths opportunity to eat. One time they shut it down in Jamaica, but it didn't end up have to reach back up again. You see me? So this is how it's done. You can see. You want me to ask you one question? So like a truck like this, I was straight aluminum and I put on that one, or just iron? We still have to show them the 100 how the thing works, you see me? Yeah, me have a bad artist bridging from down here, you see it? Where anytime he say me a forward, me have to show him, me have to give him a showcase and thing. I give him a call when I reach down here so and find out when me. I tell her say dog, tough. Good evening, mommy. Blessed love. You're not afraid of camera, mommy? You're not them messing. Oh, you mash up some aki. We can catch you aki though.
No, me not the fan. Me a woman there almost in the...
No, me not catch your face. I aki me the one catch.
No, let me...
Yeah, me like how you say, go on in the name of Jesus. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Big up our respect. Yeah, the Jesus. What that? No. That one that we just walk through and show love and show people them exactly what go on in Jamaica. Promote business, showcase artists bridging them, bunch of shit. You see me? To them, we just walk from 6 miles, go 3 miles and just go and show some love and some respect. As I say a while ago, go on in the name of Jesus, no need no more than that. And I say for you big up and respect, man. You see? No joke, no doubt. So we're there in a Riverton, we just walk and go through, for you see what the raw garrison stay like, you see it? Yeah, bro, over here you live? Over here you live? Eh? God. So most I chuck them forward, they don't know what thing go. When they chuck them forward, them probably take off all the iron part and all them things, they scrap metal, you see me? Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Manners, blessed. You see? Garbage shut them. So this part carry you right to the dump. I must say a whole heap of business about same way where for scrap metal. Even. Yeah. So it's an energy. This place a whole heap of youths get for us over here and get to work at the scrap yards, separate some aluminum, iron, everything like that. And now I think them start recycle plastic in Jamaica too. So you know it go. Good evening. Big up and respect now, man. That is it.
Yeah.
How we doing? Manners, brother. Come to my boss. Yes. So yeah, this is the real Riverton. And you wanna know? You have church. If you don't know, this is actually a community. When I have to know, it's a community as well. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See there? It's a community because you have your church over there, so. And sometimes it's hard for them people, you know, because sometimes they don't catch a fire. And the smoke, not even Corville, you can't do Washington, nowhere. Beer, smoke and thing cover the whole place. So you don't have to really have constant monitoring of not catching a blaze. You see me? So yeah. See all the dogs them out, everything. So me just walk go in, me gonna go right to where the dump is and thing. And I say you have to drive through this community to go to the dump. Let's go. see with life. But me always tell people, you see if you're born in a thing, you have to just work your way out of it. If it's not something that you like, or if it's not something that you want, you work your way out. If it's something you like, you can stay right in your own community and develop or modernize the skill that you have or what you learn in your community or say in your garrison. You understand? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Because I can tell you, many of them youth are probably good enough, but them probably never live here no more, but them just fall there, come do the work. Yeah, it seems like it's a dirty work, and enough people now go and do it because you know them all say dirty work that and be things, and enough people want there in the office and you know the thing go. But somebody have to do it, so I respect all of them youth who do this to make enough of our life easier. And that's so you go. Enough of them youth do this so for our life can easier, you know. From garbage collecting, because more time I dey on my yard, and when I dey on my yard and I no see garbage truck forward, I stress out, you know, man. Because you know what that mean, whole heap of maggots and stench of your yard gate and all of them something there, you see me? Yeah, man, come through same speed. Manners and respect, you hear that? I know you could have soaked me, you know. I know you not do it, but I know you could have do it. Alright, bless up my family. Outside. So we just go through the makeshift thing, because you don't know the water settings then at the road and thing. Yeah. So yeah. Bro, when you camouflage me teacher, I'm not even see you look good enough. Big up, hear that bro. Respect. Jamaica walk by, yeah. I walk from 6 miles to 3 miles, let's show them where I go on, you know? Yeah, Jamaica walk by, big up. Yeah. Oh yeah. So as me that said earlier, enough of them youth have to do this so full life can easier, you understand? Because enough of we sit down in our house, in our office and all them places, now we don't respect them youth, we don't respect them people that we do them work. Watch out, pick up. We don't respect the people them we do this. But we have to respect them, we have to give them some credit. Because you see all I mess what them have to deal with to make sure so we clean. Yeah. Respect them. I'm going to go up here because I don't know anything. Go jump fast. Two chop. Manners, bro. Camouflage too, man. Yeah. Manners, greetings. Kinda like that, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, my bro. Boy, me I tell the truth. I didn't realize I said it terribly, you know. That's why me just talk about it a while ago. I say, yo, I have to respect every single person who actually work over here. To make enough people can sit down in the office and look clean. Yo, trust me, because now you say about kerchief, I have to really put up this on my face, because it a mad me. And my sinus not so pretty, you know. And that me have to go do. Jaja no. Yeah. Me myself, it's the first time for me heading around here to see what it actually look like. So I know majority of Jamaica never see what around so look like. Because you know, as I can say, we pretty much not going to have no reason for forward round here so. But I have to put some respect, some serious respect upon the youth them where work round here so. Blouse and skirt. I'm going to cross this. Nobody cannot cross this. Damn. I've got to take it. I have to go through blood flowers. Yes, sir. Artist. Cheese and peace. The teacher. I can't say that. That's saddy, man. Cheese and peas. I have to turn back. Massive. No, sir. What there? Then half you can do something about this, brother. This is a very bad condition. I mean, know sir, you probably not even get if smell when I smell. But me I tell you now, if you ever hear the G down there, so I said to me, say, me I gonna need a kerchief for cover me arm. Holy hell. How me across this now? I said, bombard the stench. Cha-cha. Oh, whoa. I'm glad to see the shoes I may not be wear. Look at man. And this vehicle I'm going to pass through and how them finna rate them youths here? How we not rate them people here? Where a forward runners every single day in this. To get rid of garbage and thing. The animal that they are growing there so. So over here so you can see that the plastic part where separate the plastic them for recycle and thing. Low wall, one place. Set away. Jano. And the stench yo. Jeez yo. I don't know how them youths do it, bro. God know. As me say, we have to do what we have to do for eat, cause sometimes when me I walk to, I tell them and them say, me I walk for hours. And me I walk miles on top of miles. You look away, but can be done. And them would say, yo, them not do that. But at the end of the day, me do it. So I same thing I can say with Rona so. Me don't know if I could have worked on it. Number one, me have bad sinus problem, so this would have definitely killed me. So them G are not normal, bro. Big up to every single one of them. We have to work on it, so in a them condition here, you see me? Big up to every single one of them. We're working at that condition here. No joke, no doubt. Jaja no. Look there. We have to create something better for them youths. Them something on the right, dog. All like big man them to everybody we work on. So this is serious. Me I telling you, me a top talkers, trust me. I have to cover my nose, boy. Chano. But the right vibe this. Manners. Clothes and skirt. Then the right vibe this ya. Them a dance all I can't dead me teacher. Outside, blessed love and respect. Jamaica walk by. Me don't want video no way over here, so I know a man them stay already. Them not to like the camera and sit up. But somebody have to show them how the place stay, boy. You understand? I want to go and watch you down there, so I have to, boy. So I say, everybody out there have to put some different kind of respect. But everybody will make sure to fit them yard clean. When them see this, they're supposed to know, say anytime you see a man come collect your rubbish in your yard, make sure say you line up something for him. Because this is not normal, you understand? They said me a pass, but I make sure I put on my special right now. Jamaica walk by, you understand? Yeah. Put on a run, man. Put on a run on the boat. Because I'm a normal chap. Big up on yourself and respect, you hear that? See? Blessed love. You're not afraid of the camera? You're not afraid? Yo, me know. Look what I'm good.
You don't serve me ugly.
How many days is you either? Big up and respect, man. The outside, everywhere you're there. Yeah, bro. So, Riverton, me just go up on the dimension and rally back down. A 6 mile to 3 mile me I walk, you know. And I show the vibe. You see me? Blessings and respect. Take it easy, me so forward. So yeah, just to make a look of race and thing. Yeah. Easy. Yo. There's pigs everywhere. You know I'm not going there, so safety first. Oh my word, you can't breathe. Alright. Fucking hell. Weight limit. Manners and respect. Yeah. Blessed. We not pass yet. Oh Lord, what a walk already. Jamaica walk by, you understand me teacher? Yeah. It's a YouTube channel, you know? Oh my word, so I'm the man who show them actually walk one and say we have to start put some more serious respect for only, you know. That is it, you understand? I'm on them Chris, man. I scale this, right? No, it's a bridge. Just a bridge? Oh. Manners, bro. Back up. Good evening, my nice and beautiful ladies and bless up. Jamaica walk by still, you know. I'm recording, but I'm not video now. Okay? We just tell it straight. Just walk and showcase, see them. See wait a see them.
What with that?
Yeah, so we do YouTube walking videos, so walk and showcase love, show people them how Jamaica stay in our current time. You know, stay from road to After a 6 mile walk from the side, come and I tell you, say, believe me, people have to put some different respect on their name to every single person who work over them a place. Okay? In order for food place clean and pretty, and them are people. So, yeah, me not put on a face on camera, man. You understand? I know where chap go. But this thing has set out way, brother. Because it come like some people when they tell me so they can't walk so much miles in the sun. And I say, yeah man, me can do it. And one time I see people work around, so I tell them straight, me can't do this. I rather walk in the sun and be so I can't manage this. Number one, I have bad sinus problem, so it's rough. Big up to all the people that work over them places. Yeah. And make sure so we yard and we surrounding clean for them working it. Oh my word. This is not for the week. This is not for the week at all. Oh my word. Yes sir. Me know a chop go man. I'm gonna buy one drink in the year. Big up on yourself. It might not much, but at least you can do something. Because if all I stop them when me I stop. You know what I mean? Our blessings and respect, I'm gonna go and take it easy here. One love. So yeah, massive, we're not gonna further. I hate this. So, I did dump the up so don't it? That is it. So massive, we're not gonna further. I have a drone, so the drone I'll show. This is it. It's a very risky job, scary job, and it's serious. Risky and a scary job, but them people are do it. Blessings and respect. So, this is the bridge. This is the bridge where they chuck them cross. Actually, one river did this too. Yeah. So they dump they actually over that side. We not violate none, so we not go cross if we go up at the dump. Because specific permission of it go up there, so that is it, we are heading back out. Oh my word, this is crazy. What an experience. Oi oi. Can't stop say big up to them people that storm. Can't stop say big up to all the people them who have to work in this. I can't stop say big up. And who will live in a them situation have to make sure say the place nice and thing, you see me? So this is Riverton. Flying high upon the wings of love. How yes, how well, yeah. On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only big joy. Outside again. On the wings of, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly. Hey, on the wings of love. Oh yes. Yeah. World equipment. So you know where I walk through again, but a while ago we walked from that direction where you see trucker forward from. See? But now You go walk the next direction. For head out. See? You go through here so. And head out. Oh my word. It's a whole heap of things to Jamaica. Damn, man. I've never seen anything like this, to tell you God true. Even. Dan ma, I give a thing for the local boy. Him just sit down there go and play with himself, eh? Buy one thing for him here?
Yes.
That is it. Same thing that. Alright, look a bit. You're welcome. He's so manageable. He said thank you. Money. Me not have much, you know. God do me not have much, but I wish we could do more still, but oh God. Big up and respect. Oh, teacher. Oh my word. Even my friend. Mommy, good evening. Yeah. I'm gonna be totally honest with every single one of my Jamaica walk by massive. All my years of doing this, I have never ever seen anything like this. I've never seen it. And for that video, yeah, that's why I decide my mind said I want to see what Riverton looks like for myself. You know? Loads of people said to me, say, yo, don't go over there, don't do this, don't do that. Don't go over there. And that's why a lot of persons don't go over Riverton. But blessed elder, manners, everything Irie. See it then, man. Yeah. And I tell her, say, I say, no, no want to see it. You know what I say? Take it. I don't know it's a bigger than that. They can't mess with that one there. Problem, see? Oh. Yeah. Never yet. Never ever see something like this. What I see around this a while ago. No joke, man. Yeah. Respect manners. Oh my word. Manners, manners. Hit man. So this is actually the other exit out of Riverton. So what I really realize is that majority of the trucks are not, to me it look like they're not allowed to drive through this side. You know? I can see the runners are way more clean. Here so look like a different community and everything, but when I see where me I walk and thing. You have even a basic school over there, so which is the Bailey's Basic School. Yeah. The cross there, so. But I'm telling you, on the other side, oh God. Good evening. Stay away. Never seen anything like that. Not even know say stuff like that. Stay saying in Jamaica. So big up all of the youths them again. If you see me shoes. Oh, go on, mama. Even. Oh my word. Shot, you hear that? You alright? You there on it? We are going with me today. Sure you're not going nothing today? You behave today? Yeah, there. Yeah, massive. We are moved through. I don't know. Get out of copyright car. I say it now. Outside. See me? Oh, teacher. So yeah, and the trot continues as we reach back on Spanish Town Road. Boy, God know, me feel a way in my heart. So I say conditions stay where you them are working at me don't know, but I feel a way because God believe me, I don't know if I could have managed it. I swear to you. Yes, my G. Manners. I don't know if I could have managed it. I have this place as I go. And go-kart place you sit down and so too. Yeah. Nah, tell no lie, I feel a way in my heart. If you see the condition there a while ago where the youths them are working. Me da miserable right now. Me not go around now. So see sign the welcome to Riverton. Big up all Riverton massive. All the youth them we are working at this. All of the youth them we over there so I do the thing and I make sure so the place clean. And I bring the trash them and the garbage and all I think them where we don't want car come dash it where. Woman, man, me see everybody over there. You understand? Big up to all our citizens them of Riverton too. January, one love. You understand? Enough people say me nothing forward over here. Whole heap of people say, yo, don't do the work, don't do this. Be a sitting will happen to you and be a someone see me do the work there. Yeah, kind of little tense. Everything good? You 100? Sure. Oh yeah, big me a thing too. Yeah, I be a tax me I get still in but no worry yourself. Me still agree so far. Hear that? You I agree, sir. Over here forward from? Yeah? Big up yourself. Over here you forward from? Oh, you just a pass through. Alright, bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Eh? Back to your live. Big up all back to Massive, no man, you mean? Yeah. I think the brother serious hustling this, so. Yeah. So we've been a walk from up there, so we'll be basically just skip out a little bit I think because you have like all Callaloo Bed over there, so we don't really skip out much because right down there so we entered from Zane, so we don't really skip out much. Callaloo Bed down there, so you can see IGL right down there, so as you can see right here now with the right Weymouth Drive, so we are go down to Weymouth Drive stoplight. See? Make we do it. But not even a bother change and do it in a next video. Me not even do that. Now keep it in the same video. What you say? Yeah. Man, I stage of them. See? Sun a belt. Me I sweat like hog. If you see me, I soak. And my hand them everywhere soak. Come, my friend. Can't say me I don't do a little gentleman today, right? Big up yourself, yeah? All is well? That is it. So here, massive, we stand up right at Weymouth Drive stoplight. This is Weymouth Drive stoplight. Yeah. Kingston, and we're still up on the journey to head to 6 miles. From 6 miles to 3 miles, so we're still a walk. So me now do it in a 2 video, but it don't make no sense. Me just want to sit down and enjoy the video, so I know which video for always forward to. You see me I say? So yeah, Weymouth Drive center camera. Alright. No joke, no doubt. Alright. You ready again? Run go grab a beer and thing and forward again. Yeah. And run go grab a drink. Run go grab a drink and we are hit the road. If you need a red stripe, go and go get a red stripe. Run go for the bathroom break. And forward. Whoa, teacher. Manners, say no man.
There's some man there. There's some man. Counselor, listen you know. The counselor put me over. We do. There's some man left piece of the work and then one we come back.
Do it. I understand.
What's the man them there?
Ah, Jesus and peace,
Me not do it.
But I'm going to say it here. You see if you can do it, you do it. But if you can't do it, guess what you do? I can't do it. I just say go, hear that, big up yourself. Here bro, take it easy. I have to tell him the truth. If you can't do it, you do it. I ain't idea all out now if we just work together. But sometimes you have some persons who want to can out the next man still, but I understand him. But I say if you can do it, just do it. God knows why I'm giving me strength. So hear me teacher, God knows why I'm giving you strength. If you can't do it, you just do it and just call it a day. Yeah bro? Yeah man. But guess what I got me now? You see them teacher that will left it, they more respect you more. You understand? Yeah. Are you cleaning from straight down there so come straight so? A whole heap of work that in a brother. A whole heap of work that. Yeah, remember your drink. Come here man. Remember buy your drink. I don't have much in a but I give you a thing.
They are thirsty, dog.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
One love, man. Don't see a word, man. I see what that in my son, me teacher.
Watch out. Father God said to me, say, Rico, there's no proof it feel like you. Then me are better off, dog.
Me and you know, me have no friend that gone go because they go wrong lane. Hey, it's a stay for you, stay on the good lane and just go through, work hard and go through. Longer life, you hear that, me teacher, manners and respect, you hear that? Take it easy, see? Good. Hey, the other day, me got dig out about from right, hold on, I show you something. Me dig out, look at me yard about from right to out there, so, which at the road start. And look how me hand can up. So imagine you are using a cutlass, you chopper. So, big up to yourself, you see me? And respect, go on the way of the ceiling.
So you're not work, you leave me for me.
Well, me I will say who can see. You can give out the number, man. Anybody have no work can give you, man, and can give you. Tell me your number.
No, I'm telling the truth.
Yeah.
And you have to give me your number, so.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you have your phone? Alright. So, when you done with them, your passport, we stop and give you a link here. Half the year. Wait. Don't worry yourself, you're not happy pressure. They say you're not happy pressure. Me I go stop and come give you back a link. Hear that? Respect. Guidance, man. How you mean, man? Straight. Like a truck your pass. JC in the whole out, better come straight down as well. This is got difficult to come through. Come a thief piece too. I want to work this man. Yeah, go on good. Yeah. No come more. So I'm saying all of this him do this yeah. Cut out the whole of this yeah. So him get some work, so I'm take his work and I go and do it. I go look at work this I'm go on with. Oh, you mean? Clean off all the rice and beans, push them off a fence. And them do over here so too. Yeah, a whole heap of chopping. See my go on. Yeah. So if you're just a join, please I beg you to subscribe to the channel, please. Before that video you're done, I'd love to see 1,000 likes. Yeah. And 1,000 comment. You understand? Make a reason in the comment section. Make a reason in the comment section there, please. And see what we can do. What can be done to them area to get them up and running back the right way. Cause I don't know. This set away. Jano. So if you're just joining, we're currently walking from 6 miles and we're heading to 3 miles. So far, we left from 3 miles, we're going over Riverton City. Now we're continuing the journey to 3 miles. We currently reach across on Weymouth Drive. And if you can see Weymouth Drive over there, so and thing is it. As you do it. Nice and easy. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'll take it to the bridge. Jaja, I want them block it off. If nobody no walk on it, I walk I don't understand. Right, it's supposed to be a walkway. It. All of them water you run towards the sea. Yeah. don't know even though it make for people walk up there. Boy. Say it a rock and a go on, man. Even though it make for walking, I hope it fully sturdy and strong same way. You know, man. Yo, Jaja, do. No water right now. I don't know. Seaview they cross that stretch there. So if you follow the back road there, you go right in a Seaview yard. See me? Alright, so I don't have that chance so because too much traffic that I'm not walking on the road, so we're going to head down through that little bush and go up on the back road there and continue. That's a look away and look at this so fit for the walking. So we just take it down as yeah. Big up to all my subscribers who make Jamaica walk by possible. Yeah. Trying to get to 1 million subscribers. You know, we just put in the work and I go on. You see me? So big up to all my subscribers. Always. Big up to all of my members too, who actually sign up for membership on the channel. You see me? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. I remember when you follow me to on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Jamaica Walk By on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok also at Jamaica Walk By TV on TikTok. See? Yeah. What else am I missing? Soak massive. Yes, ati. I tell you I'm a soak. Yeah. Manners. And this is Virgin. This is Virgin up here on Spanish Town Road. No family. And see the walk continue. Yeah, Maxi distributor over there, so. Woo! Let me see now comment in the comment section if you're not still join. Well, all of my people them are still there. I'm soon in the chat. One soon in the chat I say, me there. Me there walk by. If you not enjoy the walk, me soon start comment and I say love it. Or some fire signal or some respect in the comment section. Let me see it now, man. Show some support. Don't just watch. Show some support. Drop some comment. Like the video. What you mean? Let the world see this one. Big up to some of my friends them too. You don't know Jason and Gina. You don't know big up Christmas list. Big up Tyler Oliveira. Big up Orient Freestyle Adventure. Big up Mirror Effect. You understand? Who else? Big up Madnet Fishing Jamaica. You don't know Noel. Big up yourself. Who else we have in there? You don't know. Big up Jamaica in 10. One of the biggest informative channel right now on YouTube about Jamaica. I'm called Jamaica in 10. And check out the YouTube channel there, Jamaica in 10. See? That channel owned and operated by Lexi. That's my spouse. You know what I mean? Crazy work I put in on that channel, Jamaica in 10, and I get used to it. Go and subscribe to Jamaica in 10. You will see the link in the description of the video too. If you want to subscribe to Lexi channel, Jamaica in 10, and show her some love. See? Also, let me big up father and son. Father and son lifestyle. Big up yourself, bro. Another YouTuber that big up father and son. Manners. Yeah. So we reach at the total energies here now. Yeah. Also, I want to big up Rush's Kitchen. Rush's Kitchen, that's a cooking channel in Jamaica. Owned and operated by my virgin Orion. One Rushy, named Rush's Kitchen. Check out Rush's Kitchen from Jamaica. We get all of the authentic Jamaican food and Jamaican style food and cuisine. See me I say? Yeah. Woman not left out nobody. Big up Janella Faye. Janella, big up yourself now, man. As a YouTuber, she's a Jamaican girl living in Orlando. So I show you all of the ropes and the lifestyle in Orlando over there in America. She do travel vlog, food vlogs, whole heap of stuff like that. So big up Janella Faye. If you not support Jamaica walk by over the years on sister, when I was in Orlando, she was the female when we normally par with. That's Miss Mary D daughter. So Miss Mary D, big up yourself now, man. Look good now, man. How you mean? So Janella Faye, yeah. Hope me not forget nobody. Respect. There I do it. Oh, I don't know more big up my brother X-Ray Mats, you understand? No joke. I massive remember we have a program on Jamaica Walk By each and every Saturday called One Mic Saturday, where we get new and upcoming artists and also internationally acclaimed artists who perform live on Jamaica Walk By alongside DJ Cashflow Neil on the turntable. I have X-Ray Marts, Father P, Sana on video and hosting and everything. So it's a great event. You can check it out each and every Saturday, starting time 5 p.m. sharp. Every single Saturday up until whenever. Artists them forward and just shell the place. New artists, big artists, everybody. So if you're a new artist and you want to get featured on One Mic Saturdays, please reach out to DJ Cashflow Neil on Instagram or shot me a DM on Instagram at Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, and we will give you the rest of update as to how you can get on the shows in. No joke, no doubt. And you don't know what pass Amico down there, so we are right at, well, I don't think them there no more. Yes, he place all fence up and thing. So look like the building, the sell out. I think a Jerry Navy building that used to be. Don't quote me if I'm wrong. But yeah. Woo. Watch out, water drip off of me. Shirt soak. But I mean, I understand more time, like right after them rain here, the place just gets super hot. Let's go. Jerry and nephew entrance. Yes, so this is actually the Jerry and nephew. And over this I think was the headquarters, to tell you the truth. Alright, let's go. We're moving. Let's do this. Yeah, you know, so what they talk about this, the football field over there, so it normally look like the community center. So you used to have a nice football field over there, so from my left where your camera point right now, and you know you have the grandstand at railway. It look like it sell. Or I don't know, maybe somebody buy it and relocate the field or something. But the field not there again, some say a building and thing a build up over there right now. I know many persons who know them place here or what them place are from the community will know what I'm talking about. So you can comment in the comment section as to what is happening and things, so we can get to know if they relocate the community football field or something and thing. Man has me cheese, blessed, see? So yeah, we did the right center camera over this. And that me there again. So, no joke, no doubt. But let's take our time and go through. So, a nice recreational place here as well. The time of your life. Outside, so Spanish Town Road as we go through. Share this video with a friend to know somebody who fought from the area. Share it with a friend. I know, so look like one gas station. Look like one gas station I make over there. Cause see, you can't miss them gas station settings there. Look like it's a gas station. Yeah. On my left you have Spectrum System Limited over there. Oh, may I take a look at cooling squad. Not sure what is over here, so. Can I share a story? Remember one time I just left art school, you know, and I said me want to work. I just write up my resume and the whole of them thing that I start from 3 Mile. And I just start drop off resume everywhere. Everywhere get a resume from me. On the stretcher. Whole heap. Nearly 100 resume I print. And just a drop off. Nearly 100 raising me drop off. But I'm going to show you which part I end up getting work. We not reached there yet. I'm going to show you which part I end up getting work. I want to lean that cross this to you know. I actually end up working at one of them places. When I reach, I'm going to show you which part I normally work for a few years of my life. You know what I mean? So you have Ramson over there, so. You know what I mean? Fasca Oats. Yeah. So when I reach down a bit further, I'm going to switch and go over the other side. You understand? Because on the other side, I know you have to have cockburn, pen and whole heap of little activity, a couple bar and them little thing there. Like what you see over there, so. Yeah. You see over there, so. Over on the left side, I'm going to get more active, you know? This is a fully new building, because we don't know it. IMCA. So they have cat rental, meaning so like tractor trailer and them thing there. They rent them over there. Yeah. Manners. Respect. Mobile. A whole heap of things. I don't know the building if I tell you the truth. I wonder when this drop us up. Jaja. What is going on here? Enough people have yard, boy. Woo. Take a little pit stop, you know? Cool off the sun off of my face a little bit. Sun wicked. Wicked. So right now we stand up at the intersection of, I don't know, Seaview Gardens. See? So on my left over there, so. Where this go again? I don't remember. But on my right, you have Seaview Gardens. Careful, watch it. The Seaview. One idea I do a tour of Seaview, but just not get round to it yet. Yeah. Down there, so Seaview Gardens, them say we can make a cross. Yeah. Manners, man, no family. Down there. Good evening, my friend. Bless up yourself, hear that? Yeah, man, they're on the same way. That is it. So, yeah, we're moving along. Caribbean products. Yeah. Even over there, I send a resume too. I think I send and drop off too. All over Toyota, I drop off a resume. I don't know, back in the days, man, young man, I look at a man now, so they want better for themselves, you see? That man, what this? And drop off resume. So now you have GRL, you see me? Geddes Refrigeration Limited, GRL over here. So this is 226 Spanish Town Road. Yeah, man. Over on the left, you have Toyota. We sell Toyota car. We sell all different type of car, trucks, SUV, pro boxes, surround taxi. We do all of that over there. If you want your Chinese model made new, very affordable vehicle, you check out Toyota. But in recent times, Toyota vehicles that affordable anymore. Toyota vehicle get so expensive, like a Lexus and Beamer and Benz. Many people cannot buy Toyota vehicles anymore. Even though this is a Subaru, you would think it's Toyota because Toyota has turned up the type of vehicle that they made. So vehicles are very much expensive. Now, you cannot get a Toyota vehicle for less than $1 million. You have to have $1 million and over to get a Toyota vehicle. Everything over Toyota there. If you want a car for taxi, it is expensive. Very dear. Eddie Wagon very dear. Axia very dear. And we have to blame all the artists them. Because the artists them buy the Toyota car them and turn them into machine. Turn them into high-end vehicles, so the price gone up high. So big up to Toyota. Toyota, we do vehicle better. Us. Yeah, watch your Wranglers them up there, so. And then they have to got blue money, you know what I mean? Look good. Look good, man. And then they have to got blue money. If you don't have them, they don't go up there. You have to have a 4-wheel runner. Big up to everybody who watch the Blue Mountain video. When I go up on here a while ago, I look and see the entire walk from up at Jabi camp to Blue Mountain actually got nearly 200,000 views. And that video is 4 hours long. So, big up to all the massive them who watch a video there. A video there almost 4 hours long. And people sit and watch it and appreciate it because them get to see exactly what the walk look like from Jabi camp all the way to the tallest point in Jamaica, which is Blue Mountain Peak. And I can truly say I did that walk and I recorded the entire thing. I mean, no cut out nothing. And when it rain a fall, the camera still a roll. You see me? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. I did it. So back to the regular schedule now. So over on my left you got the Recycling Corporation. Yeah. All in my place. I don't know them places. Them places they there me work on the stretcher. You see me? So all of them places right now new to me. What we have done this now, we have Kingston Industrial Garage. Yeah, that was there. And Y'all know, on my right, are the one and only red stripe. Red stripe. That is it. So on my right, we have the red stripe limited. You know what I mean? Big up every time. Red stripe. When we used to work, we soon reach. Then we show you when we used to work. We normally could afford a red stripe based on your ID. And you can get your nice beverages at a very affordable price. Me I hope say that's still on why workers can go over there and get them beverages at very affordable prices. See? Yeah. No joke. This is a prime example of this man who say the whole of Jamaica in yard. Yeah, so anyway, I feel comfortable to live to them, just live there. Bless up my Jenna. Yeah. Him not play with it. Him live at Jamaica. Yeah. Him live at Jamaica, you know? So this is red stripe on my right. Famous red stripe. So over Kingston Industrial now, you know, so them the servicing, they don't know if a Jeep, Subaru, Ford, them the parts, Yamaha. That's for the bike them. And down there so you have what that there. Select brands. Don't know what them do over there so. But yeah, this is red stripe. This is the front of red stripe, should say. Yeah. Beautiful place. And they make a very nice bus stop to as well. Aye it man. Manas. Yeah. Aye. See them artwork in Jamaica. You know, I go too near the video today. Because you don't know, YouTube take the video already because one artwork similar to this. Look on the side of the camera. Look on the side, see that? Hey, man. So Jamaica did it. Corner shop settings. I chop man. Alright. Good evening. What we have over there so now? I say most of them places are new to me. They have real power over there so. I see some tractor and some backhoe and excavator and day things. I'm not sure what them do. If I sell them over there. And thing. Alright over here so now you know you have the Excelsior water crackers. Sean, are we there? Over here some G working. Big up Sean. Big up my cousin. Cleve Morgan. He work over here so too. Yeah, Excelsior. Even when me send my resume over here, I didn't get the work still, but I don't know. Big on up same way, Excelsior. Yeah. And this is actually the biscuit company, not the high school. So you have Excelsior, Jamaica's favorite. Yeah. And look you know. We're so rich you know, because I can see 3 miles you know. Can see 3 miles you know. So over on them left side over there so now, a whole heap of little spot where you can get jerk chicken. You see all on a Friday evening, you have spot you can get your jerk chicken. You can go over there so go get all of your beverages them over them shop there. Over there's our Sandra's hot spot. You understand, a real hot spot when you touching at the evening. Sandra's hot spot. What we see just open now. What that over there so? Parts Ninja. Big up the Parts Ninja no man. Yeah. So me don't know Parts Ninja, so look like them new over there so. So big up the Parts Ninja no man. Yes, one next hot spot down so. So when me normally work, I used to work so rich. I normally forward over that little ends I come easy myself, especially by your lunchtime or if on an evening we just forward cross. You understand? Even. So long as it's still nice, still active, still festive. Food, soup, corn, it works. Even my friend. Yeah. So I normally father side I call end zone. I wonder where Barry there. Used to have one on the G over here named Barry. Barry used to come wash the car for me. Anything I want to spray or body work. Man has me teacher, the man still the boy. Outside. So right down as a hot spot. Musical place, so copyright, we move up. Outside with the look good now man, let's move. Yes, you know a copyright thing, but we don't want to linger at night. Oh, we have over there, sir. We have Mafia's HQ over there saying red. Yeah, over there so look clean and ready too. Yeah, see? All heap of music a beat over there too, so you know me have to go run from the copyright. And you don't know, Fleet Master, they are son of a whole heap of years. Cause when me left, which one me used to work in 2017, Madam Bad. Where's not afraid of that camera? A Jamaica walk by, you see me? That is it. Come to me Jesus, and me Jesus say, oh, you know a thing already. Big up and respect, you know what I mean? Yeah, a 6 mile me I walk from me now. Straight a 3 mile, you know my style already. You know some music work over there, sir? Over Crown. I 11 years me do over there. Yeah. So, you know a thing go, me normally over there every single day. So big up and respect, you know what I mean? A Jamaica walk by with you, you know. It's about big up somebody now, man.
Yeah, man, we have big up the world and we have big up Father God. You see me? Get to you would watch out, and stay focused, leave crime alone, leave violence, pray to God more, and believe in yourself and keep on a dream. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, the voice that we have to sound like an artist, and an artist. Come on, you know my style already, man. Anytime you hear it.
This girl named Stacy. Quick time say the girl have a baby.
Wheel. You can't draw them vocals there. We not pull up me teacher. Me not work that way there.
Yeah,
me say not the big thing. Step out.
Big up girl boss. You don't know.
See then, man.
Real teacher.
Go on again.
No joke. This girl named Stacy. Quick time say the girl have a baby. Cause she never did say maybe. Everywhere she go, she a take different rivalry. Seems like she not take protection. Yet still she want take a passion. Seems like she want kill the nation. You know what? Girl, you have to breathe. Yeah, girl, cause of that you need. Yeah, no the man fling him seed. Yeah, and fitness started. Yeah, your baby father him leave. Yeah, so tell me where you achieve. Yeah, girl, that get me grief. Yeah, young girl, live and learn. Young girl, live and learn. As I say, alright, I get next please, so quick before you move. Why junk work under damn bird? Why junk work under damn bird? Some boy bun the coke and me bun the herb. Them a smoke coke and mash up them nerves. Why scorpion wicked and 40 leg? Why scorpion wicked and 40 leg? 40 leg say excuse copy and him now beg him just clear out the foot with him peg. Why answer harder than fly? Why answer harder than fly? Got the hands up on the ground and move the fool. While the fly in the sky and watch his sweet food you walk by. Why donkey move slower than us? Why donkey move slower than us? The donkey eat and the ass moves fast. Come on, go him back to us. Why don't go work harder than bird?
Yes, I'm scared! Madam Bad! Hey, tell him again who the man is. Tell him the man how we find him.
Step out, you see me I say. Big up, I don't know this is Hallelujah restaurant and me, we're a bad DJ for a long time.
Long time.
So I say big up Vibes Cartel, when I go tell you that in them and there, give me the inspiration to watch it. What if I create that me will know the teacher?
Long time.
I'm out.
Hey, where man say? What is below my nose?
I'm out.
So yo, hey, you see it, don't me have a ears? From the man talking to me, I say, no man, you sound like an artist, you know.
Man, we have the money, see me?
Figure that, yo, big up and respect for your time out, you know. Man, showcase the talent and things straight across the globe, see what you see? That is it. Outside, here again. Mad and bad, respect. Mad. Big up no man, we don't want to catch a teacher, you know, say me to you like camera thing, you know, you see it? Big up. That is it, man. Big up and respect the teacher. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Yeah, the man bad out. Tell me, I know me have a ESC artist in here, the man shell it. Who can pay for that? When I think you can pay for that, and I think a dibby thing in Jamaica, I every corner talent we are doing and nothing else. But what you mean? I know what you have to find him, I have to make him get piece of the one mic. I'm not telling no joke, man, but so I'm not telling no massive, right over here some used to work. Right now I feel hype. Trevor! Are you that Trevor? One Trevor? Watch I not even see a who you know. Right in the eyesight guy you know. So massive over here some used to work. Crown Packaging Jamaica Limited. Trevor, we are doing? Blouse and skirt, who this? One Trevor. Yeah, we can't come on, seal it. Big up and respect me general. You're still there.
Yeah, come over.
You see how?
Yeah.
A video still, because I know so them tell me every Monday I work, all you are work right now. You understand me? I walk from 6 miles or 3 miles, I almost reach. How would that? I don't know how that. Knew somebody that, I don't know that somebody there. From them forward after 2017, I don't know them. So massive over here some used to work. See Trevor there, Trevor one of the general. I forward the crown can see him. And I do almost 11 years. And him still there I do it, you understand? And I tell us, man, still looking same. Tell us I'm a pass. You see me? What here and then, they work? What you mean he mash up today? Hold on, what you say? Up by a politizer?
Yeah, I'm most yes.
And chop him in the face? Rotted. Never go call him when me done. Where Daniel there? Daniel put up the free work, you know? Oh, Daniel the Albo. Alright, now see, Father Rose the boat? Yeah. Where Rose?
Rose there.
Rose there, Paulette there?
Yeah.
Hey, where Pat?
Pat gone home.
Pat gone home? What did the run shift today?
No, Pat down. Time up.
Oh, Pat retired now? As a and Juliet too? Juliet too?
Yeah.
Rotten. As a time of fly? What Miss Wisdom? Miss Wisdom in there? Hail up Miss Wisdom for me. I see them canteen people them?
Yeah.
Alright, that is it. That means they still are going good. That is it, Trevor. So yeah, massive. Over here so now used to name Metal Box back in the days. And it name them name Crown Packaging Jamaica Limited right about now. You understand? So over here so I used to work. Start over this as a young youth. Cause enough people see me in my hole, you know. I'm almost 40, me like me. They right on the 40. Yes, security, big up. Respect. So, me's a man now. Me used to do a whole heap of things from mechanical engineer, electrical, all of them type of something over here. So, called Crown Packaging Jamaica Limited. I did many of my years over this place here. I did many years over here. Must have left me at 4 o'clock a morning time to reach here so by 6 o'clock in the morning. So I say, we do many of my life over here, so meet a whole heap of friends, you know. As you hear me that call a couple names and them things there, yeah. So Daniel, Aaron, Chumba, Pat, Paulette, Mr. Rose, Miss Wisdom, Mr. Philpot. You don't know, big up to you hear so much people, yo. When I work somewhere so long, you end up become family with enough of them. Lamar, big up Lamar. Yeah, so much people, bro. What we used to work with. You don't know, on the line, you don't know Burr, but after that, Omar, big up yourself. Anyway, you're there, you're not there, you know, still. Who else used to be on the line too? Big up Damien. Yeah, Damien, big up yourself. Yeah. Yeah, Paul used to be there, you don't know. R.I.P. Paul actually drop out and them thing there. Oh my, there are so much people where me used to meet and know over there for years. As you must say, unfortunately, they look like something to hear and today. So I have to go call him and see if he's alright and thing, because you know that is one of the rules of your work, you know. You work there for years because Aaron supposed to work over there so now for about Aaron probably work over there so now for about probably 30 odd years. Yeah, because Aaron almost or maybe soon 50. And him dead there long before me. And I think him reach up and go there about, I think I 19 or so, and a little bit after that, them time there, him there over there. So I've been there for a very long time. You see me? So yeah. So this is where you would drive to go to Grace. Yeah, Grace, located around that side there, I think. I am massive, we actually see 3 miles in our sight. We see 3 miles in our peripheral vision. So it's right there. So blessings to everybody. I know upon my left over there, so you have Cockburn Pen. Cockburn Pen over there, so. No joke, no doubt. And we are head to the new and improve. You notice me say new and improve. 3 miles because you have overhead bridge over overhead bridge. Yeah. So it has been a great walk and we're still doing it. I hope so by the time when I finish watch a video, or by the time the video drop, within 5 hours I'm supposed to see more than 1,000 likes. I want to see 1,000 comment on a video. If you don't like the vibe, if you like the whole energy, you see me I say, no joke, no doubt. I love and love alone. Great walk, man, I tell you. I hope you enjoy it like how me enjoy it. You see it? I must say we're not done yet because we have reached the new and improved 3 miles. And again, big up to all like general them over Riverton. Boy, I see something I never see yet in Jamaica over Riverton. That was super crazy. So, I have to put some respect on the name differently, you know? So let's go. See that a while ago? And I say they left over there, so Cockburn Pen. Let's do this. So now we are approaching Majestic Garden. Majestic Garden. I'll see how the sign is. So the St. Andrew Settlement Majestic Garden, an outreach project of St. Andrew Parish Church, founded in January 31st, 1965. Majestic Garden, you know? And that is down in this lane here. So Yeah, man. I have the market supplies over here, sir. Brownie. Even, grandma. Blessings. You have water in there? You want to know, say 6 miles me I walk from no, me no buy nothing to drink. I walk one, nothing right.
How far?
Rockstone, me don't want one look up when it's even so cold. You have none when it's on the fridge?
No, we don't have no room temperature.
You have no room temperature one. Alright.
So sorry I walk from.
Yeah, man, because you don't know Jamaica walk by as a your name. I just walk and show people them some love and show them what the world look like in our time, you know. Blessings and love. Wow, but pull out the car here for me there, man. The church sister. Me drink a look of water.
Get you out of hand.
Get you out of hand. Oh God.
Every day you get out.
Sitting go on, eh? We can't just one day, we can't get a break.
No, sir.
Jeez and peace.
And you turn on the radio or the TV. No, man.
Every day.
Killing. Look
I mean, wake up.
Look how country you
And I'm here, and I'm here, me forward from me now. I tell us, I'm pretty down there.
I tell you, man. All Manchester, when we never used to
hear nothing about, never ring on the TV.
I used to know a peer killing there, Manchester.
Them place say not even hear about them place.
No, sir. Manchester,
everywhere now.
No, sir, you never used to hear nothing.
We need to start teaching youth them more. Say, yo, we need to live in a love. I know, say, I saw me go around a Riverton and I tell you, say, first time I ever go around a Riverton like that. I tell you.
Yeah.
If me never go myself, I wouldn't believe that's over the time. Right. So right now, I respect the people them will actually clean up the place and to make me and you have clean surrounding. Cause you sit down there. Oh my God, it legit like the people that are working at Agpin.
Yeah.
Stay bad.
Yeah. Them time they are funding it where they live out there. Near to Prima, them time. And them time they live alright. So much people never live. But after a while, they have all for work and live out there.
And tell about the condition, wicked.
No, we go out there and look for them through certain things.
Rough. The stagnant water, everything.
In every parish, Waltham, Maxilla, Waterhouse, all of them places are under curfew.
You can trade my bill for me, thank you very much. Well, I don't know what we are going to do to make you them live in a love and behave. How old are you? Yeah. You're 74. Why me I tell you, I wouldn't alone come like I reach them the age you know, because them I look at you, you look at who for them reach.
No,
how old are you?
Because them just put badness, 70.
You're 70? So she's 74 and you're 70? God, her for touch me now, man. Bible says 3 score and 10, I want to fly over it.
Yeah.
Almighty. Me I hope so me can live that long enough.
I hope.
Why? I true enough, but you see the type of food them we are eat, the type of air we are inhale, because like you can't, but yeah, with
everybody are going to watch that.
I true, with God we can't hope say.
You have the stage of children that are born every day, thousands of people over the world.
Yeah.
I look how much people still live that.
I true.
They can't live, they can't try to eat the right thing, but you can.
I true, you're right. Why me I tell you, say, all back in the days are certain things that we used to eat but healthy. Them not make them healthy again, you know. All oats and all them things, they don't make them something healthy again. Eh?
I love the oats, but remember first like Quaker oats.
Yeah. Oh gosh. All sugar water.
When you put the oats with soap,
yeah.
how it's slimy and thick and you don't get that.
You have to wonder if I see them thing.
But the population bigger and nothing now come to perfection.
Jeez and peace.
You should treat it to the population bigger, the things now come for protection, and again they use the fertilizer. I do all kind of things.
And the preservatives. Oh my lord. Mommy, a great talk here. Well, you see me now? You see me now? I walk my videos and to go do I stay in my yard. Yeah, man, if I don't have to come out, don't go do it, I have to do stay in my yard, brother. What they always say, then the devil give eye hands, what? Work. Ease and peace. Stay in your yard.
And again, you're in your yard and people are going.
No for that happen still.
But I feel like you have a better chance.
Alright. Because you don't mix up.
No, sir.
I must accidentally them things shut up.
True.
You understand?
True. Why me I tell you?
Time wicked.
You want to make sure you don't be safe out there house because this is my mother doing a whole other market and sell food.
Yeah, that when they're ready, they broke out.
You want to be safe and take it easy here. One love here, mommy. And blessings. Always. Take care, grandma.
I eat where you can.
I eat good when we can eat good.
Yeah. Alright. Read the label them and the soup them.
True, man.
And the food. It's not even pumpkin when me young I went by auntie. Whenever you so put pumpkin in a soup, you don't know it. Go in a soup, what you boil, you eat.
Boil out and crush out.
Color it now, picky. Yeah, the food.
Oh, you put it in a soup, you eat it?
Yeah, and she put it in, and you see when she put it on the food, you want to go be a penny when you put mama. You strip it off.
Yeah.
Strip it off. You be a pan with pumpkin there.
Yeah.
And no, Sarah, when we come out of the Sarah, we make the pumpkin and she a cut it. I mean, this now the knife are going in. Then
but I can tell if pumpkin when you're ready by here a knife I go through it.
Yes.
Oh
anytime you see the knife I fly through like lightning.
Yeah.
You understand?
You say ready?
You're not ready.
Oh, you're not ready if it I go
the one where you hear when it I cut the pump like the knife I go cut.
Yeah.
Yeah. The knife like it a pop.
Yeah.
Good pump.
That is it. Teach me, man. One love here, grandma. Blessings and respect. Take it easy, yeah? Alright. Always love reason with people. Bless up me elder, manners. Yes, big boss, outside. You know me always have to stop and read with the elders them, you know what I mean? So one of the ladies 74 and one is 70. God no good. That is it, man. Blessings and respect. So we reach a 3 mile and it has been a great walk. But the video still not done yet. I'm gonna see how 3 mile look again. You know what I mean? So bless up to everybody who have watched the video, see them way and they so far with me and do the entire walk with me too. One love, respect, heart of love, you understand? No joke, no doubt. Well appreciate it, you see me? Yeah, man. A maximum love and respect as we go through. Boy, so if you watch thus far and you're not yet subscribed, please may I beg you there. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell there, please. So you'll be notified every time I drop a video. You understand? Yeah, man. The video them nice. You don't know, we don't know where we are going to walk next, but stay tuned. Yeah. Good afternoon. This is 3 mile. Man as my teacher, outside. Sorry. Oh yes, we made it. This is 3 mile. Oh my word. So I'm safe. I never see what 3 mile look like in a them time. I look good. New and improved 3 mile. Overhead bridge for overhead bridge, eh? 3 mile. No joke, no doubt. This is what 3 mile look like, you know. So if you're going to the Portmore direction, you would have the up on the bridge there, going to the Portmore side. Or you're going to Half a Tree, Ugly Park Road, going that way. And that way is to downtown Kingston. And you don't know where we are walk from. This one go all the way to 6 miles. See? Yeah, that's the code. So, big up and respect to everybody who stay tuned and watch the entire video. I super appreciate every single one of you. It's been a great walk. I enjoy it. I just want to continue to watch Jamaica walk by video scene. I just go cross the road and end it over on the other side. So they can get me see. Really good. Yeah man, so I don't know, no joke, no doubt. So big up everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. They enjoy it, and big up to all the massive them at Riverton and all of them places there. And the first time for me see actually how I walk one in a Riverton, so it was just crazy. Me not have words to explain, on the scene. So it's all love, it's all blessing to all the youths them down there, the ladies them, the kids them, everybody. It's just one of them videos there where we have to just. So we give thanks to what we have and appreciate all the people that will make certain things possible for we as well. So one love, blessings. Big up to all my Jamaica walk by massive them again. Take it easy until next time. One Jamaica walk by, peace and love to all. See? No doubt, no joke. Thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jai's place. But there's no need to worry, 'cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, it is. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta.
Rasta, Africa, looking around, I see a man. And all they used to be cyborg is now his sleeping place. Love used to be empty space. I hope you can see it. It's a damn disgrace. So come in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Who shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Angola awaits us, yes. Nigeria awaits us, yes. Ethiopia awaits us, yes. Oh, Mama Africa, yes, awaits us. Ooh, oh, I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yes. We say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah. I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yeah. We say that you are real Rasta, Africa.